par for the course. This means typical or expected, especially in reference to something that is not surprising or is a standard procedure. The term comes from golf, where par is the standard number of strokes expected to complete the whole of a course. It has been used since at least the early 20th century to describe something that meets the expected standard. It is commonly used in both American and British English. For example, delays are par for the course when dealing with government paperwork. Or, rainy weather is par for the course in this region during spring.